Welcome to TR Post tutorial. Today we will see how to enter sales and sales return in TR Post software. We have three methods to enter sales return in TR Post software. Let's see the first method. This is the sale window. Select the customer and start entering the products. You can scan barcode or enter code of the product from the code column. If you want to increase the quantity, you can press on plus QTY button. After entering the products, you can see the total amount given here. If this customer has any returning product which they have purchased before, can return their product and can enter in the same sale window by clicking on Sales Return button. Now the sales return mode is on, in which the button is showing in green color. Now you can scan the barcode of returning product. Here you can see the quantity is showing -1 for this product and the total amount has been decreased. Now you can click on Pay to pay the bill. Enter the amount and the balance amount will be showing here and save it. If you want to take print, you can click on Yes, otherwise click on No. So this is one type of sales return where you can enter the returning products in the same sale window. Let's move on to the second method. For that, click on page 2, then click on post sales return. This is the post sales return window. Here you can see the return number is 2. Now enter the bill number which you want to return. Then automatically the customer name and the product list will be showing here. Select the product and the quantity which has been purchased by the customer will be shown here. Enter the returning quantity and add it. Select the remaining product which you want to return. Then save it. Now come back to the sale window. If the customer has to deduct the returning products in their new sale bill, you can use the sales return button. Select the customer, then select the products. Click on sales return. Here, enter the return rough NO or the post sales return number, that is 2, and click on OK. Here you can see the total amount is showing negative. Enter the remaining products which you want to sell. Here you can see the returning amount is 3.189 and the net amount of the bill is 4.358. So the remaining amount for this bill is shown here, that is 1.169. Now you can pay this bill which is in page 1 and click on Pay button to pay the bill and click on Save to save this bill. This is how we enter sales return in TR Post. Now let's move on to the reports. Click on Menu, then Reports. Click on Sales Report. This is the sale report window. Now click on Sales Return. This is the sales return report. From here, you can filter the sales return by customer, employee, pay mode, user or counter. In this way, you can enter sales return in different ways in TR Post software. Hope you find this video helpful. For more updates and videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.